Hello Harmony students, this is Daniel. I'm part of the engagement team here at Harmony Science Academy El Paso, and today I want to talk to you about a pretty unique opportunity that we have. The El Paso Museum of History is inviting our school to participate and be part of El Paso's digital history. The way to do this is by uploading your pictures and your memories here at Harmony or for any event actually related to Harmony to them for them to upload them to their Digie Wall. The Digie Wall is a digital wall that will be transported through classrooms, civilian centers, malls, or just places around in the community here in El Paso where other citizens of El Paso are actually going to be able to interact and see everything. So this is our chance to be part of El Paso's digital history. Up next is a small quick tutorial on how to upload a picture. First thing we gotta do is we gotta head over here to digie.org. That's digie.org. This is gonna lead you to a section of the El Paso Museum of History website where we can do our uploading. So the way to do this is you'll see this main home page, and then we click on upload, and we're gonna have to register a new account. So I'm gonna go ahead and register my account and use my school email. Y'all can use your school email as well or a personal one, it doesn't really matter. Now it's up to you if you want to receive some news. This is my work email, so I'm not gonna select that option. Seems like somebody already made one with my name. So I'm gonna try and add a little. Account has been successfully created. So see, go to your email. There it is. You're gonna find this confirmation and go ahead and click it. Which should lead you back to the website. It's just to confirm. So I'm gonna try and log in now. So it'll take you to this page, and you could either, like it says, drop your files or go ahead and click. I already have a picture here that I wanted to upload. Open. Now, it's pretty self-explanatory. You put a title. So this was a picture of me and my basketball team back when we went to state semifinals. I would put 2013 Texas UIL basketball state finals. Put a short description. Area, we are part of Mission Valley here at HSA, so you're gonna go to Mission Valley and you'll find this, which is like our area. Of course, select which year it was, what theme. Now, if it was something school related, it's probably going to be educational. Although if it was sports and school related, you can definitely add it under the sports section. Under tags, I like to add HSA or Harmony Science Academy El Paso, right? You would add a tag. What this does is that when people actually go to our digital wall, if they were to look for something Harmony related, this would bring up whatever picture you own or you have uploaded. Also, don't forget to include your name before you submit a picture. This is just so that you get credit for your pictures. And you click save, and it automatically uploads the picture for you.